Shama General.
Sammy Jeffy.
Yedi kai mamenchia wono a anope wajebre etie wo chiri ne bench ye wo fidi kesi so. Shama General ne miraho sia fempa ama o my Ghana. Araboni free eno enwumre ebisi ne. Because enyema enkoye mamindi kan enkase coronavirus yarebonia ene atese ewo wiase amama so na nipa bebre akum nipa bebre no ya de a wo se ye nyina emfa ho ne party ayewo yeboa na ye kai ho bo edine sunkuni. Bare 5 minutes ago, me check a live updates. That is a nipa 199,324. And yari starte umenyebi. Omo mafa yari so ahwere obonkwa akansia no madu empem enwotwe eye 8,000. Currently the number is 7,994. Nipa be 82,000 ni achire die nyame aboa wo onipedua etimi akon eti ayare no ama wo ato. But nipa 108,000 and over still yare no that's why edi omunya. Nti yare na ye ka ho asem no, it is a serious issue. In fact, according to World Health Organization, it is now the biggest global threat in the world today. Okwa mama bi ti say South Korea, Italy, Turkey, France, Spain. Those countries have been completely changed by Sayari. Assessa amama bibiri. And the nations of the world, they are not like they used to be months ago. Ni nyina ne say yare no. Yetimi ye hu bibi. Yetimi so ano. Yetimi etoto nyema yie se ne be ya enteni. Nemfa ohawoma amama bi atimi ayesa a umetimi aso ano ena amama bi so atena se aye ahwehan amanaje wonsem ti se yare no beji wonsem se ubetimi aso ano no ejina wan kasa wo so se wototo nyema yi a ubetimi aso ano be se wotena ho ya ahwehan ya akwadworo so a ene yare no ebefa wase. Na ebi ma minsi so biem say yare ayeka ho asemi. Bruni say it is no respecter of persons. Enima koda enim panyi, enim hia ni enim sikani. Enim NDC ni enim MPP ni enim social commentator. Enti asem wa beda ho aye ka no. Sama general, e was say ye kamu no kre. Ye honest and sincere. Ye frank altufo ni ye kandi for John Dramani Mahama akasa. And the waka na ho ne gina say at the pa aban we be ye bia so the be ku etia coronavirus no as a political party, as a responsible opposition, as citizens ye be boa no amana timi ayesade no. But baby asento wo baby ato sini bia so no ye be ka sini pain atwe aban adwen aba ho de enko ye bia ye be ka because ye anka na ye boa ema the enye koswa is so born in a bar. It can affect anybody. Nobody is insulated. Now, Obesha Chama General, same way. For some time now, ye kasa wo hono e wo fom ye chradwen se bibi kura ne nkoyi a ye kana boko. But baby anyeme kono. Nrenwumre I was convinced ye de nyeme diagro ye jeje o mampeni Akufo-Addo ne na aban we so dodo. I feel this government is being over pampered because aban no ene Ghana for enini aban no ni no crunch Ghana for. Government is not being honest. Aban no show say we are serious to fight this pandemic, and it is with much sadness and America's same way. You move in here free say and can you say but baby ya kono chama general enkoye look will come on Mampenny say, we try $100 million. The finance minister, or may sana, hene, sika $100 million, as he can't daho. Ya debe kwetia coronavirus. I said the finance minister has made available the CD equivalent of $100 million. That is a sikane da kwa. You are making available ye pebi e di aya hoboa ye pebi e di aya de wose ye de ye e di kutia coronavirus ye betumi anya. When amrahye bedwa for eto wonsa frɛ o mayisa na ene say omra na asem yo mechirichiri mu any other financial implications of coronavirus. In fact, and no, I'm the finance minister kind of me who treat me. Sa sika $100 million or man penny creating impression said that no. Sa enya no kre or man penny anka asem ni mu no kre. Sa sika na ho. $1 kra na ho. Not even $1. Finance minister say afei na buying the World Bank ne IMF wo din kita. Now World Bank of Westresika $12 billion, IMF was Westresika $10 billion, Okabo mu $22 billion. Inti afeni eni omudi nkita ho akosere omo se omo mo ye nu mu busia bi. Hey! Sana asenetie. Na yeda se mo ya kan de deda ama ye nya buto ye mu ye nya hotoso bi se oh at least achi akra mu ye aban no ye nhehye pa ye benya sika PPEs ayebeto hand sanitizers ayebeto enkyerɛkyerɛ ayebenya sika ye no sa kapre aban we committee sre ko aban we committee. Why must we do this to ourselves? Why must we pay lip service to everything in this country? Aban we kasadodo we talk about action. We are this government is always found lacking.
Omanpenyi okase make available and okase scan it down.
Say the finance minister has made available, this way is exact words, the CD equivalent has made past tense.
He's directed the finance minister.
No, he didn't even use the word directed.
To make available.
No, Wankasa. Direction behind him. I have the exact quote here. Or say the finance minister, and I have the video too. This is what he said. Or say the minister of finance has made available the CD equivalent of $100 million to enhance our coronavirus preparedness and response plan. That is to fund the expansion of infrastructure, purchase of materials, and equipment and public education. Unquote. This is the exact quote. Ade. Bibia ya de nada bebem. Na de maybe some one say chama. Yes, sebi. En satia nyina nyepe. Men ka say e was a Ghana ye ho so. Na so mampanyi kura say wa make available $100 million asika na yenya ni nyina atego.
Na finance minister Enra Oka say coronavirus.
Yes, exactly. I brought this speech not presented to Parliament in here.
Also, I can read about coronavirus.
Yes. I see we are currently, I'm quoting from what he presented to Parliament. We are currently in discussion with the World Bank to tap into a $12 billion World Bank Group fast-track COVID-19 facility to help close the financing gap. In addition, we are discussing with the International Monetary Fund to assess part of a $10 billion US facility made available by the IMF to address coronavirus through the rapid credit facility. And in fact, many finance people can say like even though this is a fast track program by the World Bank and IMF, no, and take you or minor months before we can access this money. Because the IMF will go through more conditionalities in your bibli. So what you say? And in fact, I know a finance committee chairperson Mark Osiasibi on Joy FM making it clear say sa asemo finance minister kan ye no $100 million no ho asem and no oka say omokwa akopɛ free IMF and the World Bank. I say at least ye na ban say at least me even $5 million and I me what $10 million me de start ya hoboa na me hwese menya e mo free World Bank ne IMF wa ka ho a enka e bi kura ka e be ye yanso enya yase na wo de woni $1 $100 million na ya ka de deda ama ye gidie no afei na wokobo bosia ye ntwen na kobo bosia
iti say sika ben ye spend on coronavirus.
Exactly. Yes, chama je no asa obeka ya exactly. World Health Organization for a report on Ghana ema ye hu say samre no ne nya 35 million Ghana cedis say de be ya hoboa just 35 million Ghana cedis Omanpenyi Akufo-Addo abanka say say amre no mu ni 35 million Ghana cedis. No mu de omu benya 2.5 million Ghana cedis pe. Sure, we have all seen that report.
That's a lie. What you said is a lie.
2.5 million. So 2.5 million, according to a ranking member on the Committee of Health. I always want to cite my source. Somewhere last 2 weeks, almost started last week, almost started so release this because even at the time, almost pledged 2.5 million Ghana cedis. No more release this. But last week, almost started so more this basis. So 35 million here say you dey preparation ahead of time. No, abai na mfa ma. Ye claim ma yade ni bedu Ghana. Ansa na ye ka say oh, ye nya $100 million da ho. Na you be as oh de ye nka kra ma na mro so ye nya 35 na ye nya $100 million ah. E na ye asem de. $100 million na so asa 419. No kra bi ani.
Ain't this coming here fight corona?
Chama General. Yes, it is. I would think that it is coming from the 2.5 million Ghana cedis. If it is coming from other ministries, state agencies, or more normal budget allocations, so the finance minister can clarify. But $100 million and over. So they can voters register as soon as possible. Billions of cedis here Ghana card. Last year, 63 million Ghana cedis and connected to Sika 630 billion. And Omanpenyi di 2 coin in 9 months. Nancy wakom rashe bejo Omanpenyi yema na sell tax waiver of $24 million. No fanko in a private hotel project.
What does it have to do with coronavirus?
I am showing you the misplaced priorities of President Akufo-Addo. If you can get more than $100 million for a needless voters register, spend over 63 million Ghana cedis on trips and fanfas will be amre. Spend about 4 million Ghana cedis on vice on refreshment. Attempt to give $24 million tax waiver to your in-law for a private hotel. Now we say we need even $10 million to protect Ghanaians and coronavirus abeya. 90 Omanpenyi or drink Ghana for or Timama Ghana for. And now the no fafa and FFI or the Ghana for life na to tasha. ABM chairman. It's a gathering advisory. Mampenya babontin. Sorry, yantutum. Suku yantutum. Even those are no question. Ye mubi ye nyina ya support Omanpenyi because we are in an emergency and this is your train ma bibi boni bi si ansa na yakase ye nyema bi so ye say even though asofu mpenyufo bi express reservations say consultations and consonate de keka on I think that we should give the president the benefit of the doubt because situation now you woman say but how can you close down churches, how can you close down schools and crowd muko suya de crowd also muko tenefi. Now I say night club or more muko disco, akonom, ebiabo, ebiasa, or more dear, or munko sunko disco, no muko disco na, utie de Omanpenyi kaina, or munko pe running water over monsa, no more fast sanitize and pepper monsa. Really? And Kwame Nadan is defending this? This could not say the organ high, of course you could did. Minia, Yagina, I am ranty, me proud of it, so you have ranty, this could Yagina Yakobi. Who do this qua, Massa? And no more born one, so we were even symptoms of coronavirus, no about what crumpua on tape. Say, so we need crampo finsion poa, because this school, you have some Kenya, Bobo Hayibi, this school light needs so here. Now, yet to be quite sorry for Bompire, yet to be in Coscoon Cosiadia. But ye bet Yako disco. Why the code disco? Or no sour tin in 50 paper beer, said in previous, when your baby also so nimuno, or Papa hand sanitizer. So the inconsistency, the incoherence of even directives of Omanpenyi Diabano. Am I who that seriousness? The year bench then they say, yes, you're close to schools, you're close soon, sorry. You maintain it, but let's engage or more my affected. No? But you're from 9th club, one can be. Because a also a potential area, you bet you're debating your spread. Bien, come down can be. It's true. Say Omanpenyi the directive by say you close to school, you close to sorry no. And ye be no mu de. But omu nyina tie Omanpenyi echi, ye nyina ya tie Omanpenyi echi. But Chama General, the saddest thing they say, and now omu bu Omanpenyi directives on public gatherings so no. your man penya swafo or man penny for a buy win penny for. They are the people who are breaching the directives of Mampenyi Yaban with impunity to say your modie. Or Mampenyi Kasa, or Mobro Mampenyi, so to meet my Diomope. And I don't know why our Mampenyis were in the Yaton chain. Now, NIO work and a tefa, Mubune Neshe so. Or Mampenyi say, avoid public gatherings. And now call US are even gatherings of 10 people. They are discouraging it. 10 people. What there was a time ya born in Yabe. What there was Ghana card. Eastern region. What is urgent about Ghana card? Ghana card, I am in fear. Nyansa, Monfanya Ghana card. I think I must train 9 million out of a population of 28 million. Cars are my issue 6.something million. It is Nakakreya, Yenaya Muse, Yawahu coronavirus here, ni blessing. It Yenina no young put measures in place and restricted gathering. Mujaya Diane Besi. Now, if you read the statement at NIU for the issue here, Chama General, you will see the tragedy. Let me read paragraph 2. I say all field officials, this is NIU, are to strictly adhere to the prescribed protocols spelled out by His Excellency the President and the Ministry of Health on preventing blah blah blah. I say all field officials are to wash their hands frequently with soap and running water, as well as frequent use of hand sanitizers. Now, Chama team here, regrettably, all efforts by the authority since last Thursday to procure hand sanitizers for distribution to all field officials have been unsuccessful owing to the acute shortage of the sanitizers on the Ghanaian market. The procurement department is, however, intensifying efforts to procure sanitizers for distribution to field officials. As we are with the trading, ni pam mobile centers or mobile trade no bia de nsako to subi. And a mama who say, I was so many hand sanitizer de paper monsa na mpo afidie ne ye bi paper so se ne be ya. Ensane. I don't know why you will even want to take that risk in the first place. But one kasa so man who say sanitizers in the crown and why you den and no kita sika kra wo nya bi nto. Enti mo se mo kra mo pe bi ato mo nya bi. And mo pe bi ato mo nya bi na mo ni hand sanitizers no. You are forcing people, your officers to still go and register people. What is wrong with us? How do you try and sanitizer ni bi wunni bi. You see you also wo nya bi nto. And yet you are compelling people kakra mo be nya dinti chenchina akoye registration. This is unacceptable. I don't see how anybody who cares about lives can defend this. And there was some Mampenyi active because Kenatefa and the NIA is not above him. They are not above the law. They are not above Ghanaians. The Pankwa Munyache Ghana card. What is Ghana card? Dear Ayabien. Easy for also there. Yeah, mo kra ma she date say mo be start registration 18th April. Date ni nruye obi amebo mo chemso. Moduma mo ye ne kra no. Date na abobo mo so dada mu ntumi nye. Mo ankasa munim. No mako issue statement and we will still go ahead with it. As the people are calling the you see yare na ye ka ho asem no. Amanfo ebia ebinu munim do bo ma hyeda no mo yesa. Chama General kwesi dan kwa Italy nipa 3,800 and something nya yare ni in one day. Italy nkwa ne ku nipa 384 on Sunday. And no ye ka ho asem no. E amanfo forget about their interest. No more me nipa ho kakra. Why say emra easy for some be register ni drew na yare na nya ho drew. I mean, we are still opposed to the register because they say so new fast will be and we will fight it in court and through every legal means. And not the other ho. But even if you are still hell bent on pursuing this, China or mining flow how ni munye. Yeah, that's what how we mu yare no kwa na ekosoro no. Enu mu na ba be ka si enim se mpo be register. No sensitivity. Chama General, ABM travel advisory. Mampenyi de nhyehyɛ yaba afa akwantu omo ba Ghana ene ya yefi Ghana eko. Eye. Better check kakra ke bantamu a enke boae. But better late than never. Me how kakra wo travel advisory no wonde say. Yes say countries o ma record 200 cases. Omo nkwa na ntimi Ghana. 200 cases and above. Some general hono me will problem kakra because 200 ne so. So you the form to bear 50 and 30 akeye. Me in case you bet me eliminate risk no cry, but at least we can minimize it. A Bibremu will be a country be may show say when 200 apart from Egypt or numbers now 100 no even 100 crown and why day. It is a 200 cases, it means African countries everybody can come here. But Yariana so tre. Two compare again 200 until might be 199 cases or more debate in Yabana and now 150 cases or more debate in Yabana. I think the young lower benchmark need to about 50. Because a bet Yayan a bit. Chairman said no better cases I record no some 7 cases. Nina no when you force a abundance so for and the 2 by the bow may with your friend imported cases.
The 7th one a Ghana be a Ghana for no chairman on it.
Aha, and on with the free abundance at the buy. It is not good enough. It is not good enough because Chairman, we are maybe to say Togo. 6 March, here me no more record our first case of coronavirus. O met me jina 1 case na increase here. Nigeria for on 28 February about 17 days ago we record 2 cases. Italy ni back on Nigeria driver back. O man manage situation now we record more than 2. For me these are the good examples.
You mean
Ghana.
You mean they haven't reported?
They have not confirmed any cases.
Okay.
After 17 days. Yariana so shenipa one acha 14 days so at least these countries now are there. Unlike advanced countries like US, Spain, Italy, initially, Donald Trump or declare national emergency. Let's not copy those bad examples. Oh, US from also we Togo ya Nigeria. Near who said your no Senka Chairman contact these 7 people ya so ma contacted omuni nipa over 350 edin kita ho na enunti no e was say nipa 350 ni na ye hwehwe omo na ye hwe omo ho na mu hwe say yare no mu obi no nke bia sa 350 na beba fo me reason ne say
but you see from
yo Chairman in a few minutes me reason ne say yare di kan ba yi and then I was saying in strengthen screening and surveillance at our entry points. Near gas as a woof from maybe move back. Now, if you are report to 1 case, you cry over, you be quarantine. You be quarantine. But wait yet, your chairman, a binombo minimum young quarantine mo. And on money nipa aqua for any pedin kitamo, and I feel yes any panel. So, and as I say, crowd on what is she about nipa no free crowd no ba no one can quarantine or self quarantine. Chama General Ghana, self quarantine she no. Enya dwuma. It is a bino per places now no one can say mandatory compulsory quarantine on your no nebeboa. Finally, Chama General, mebobo nyema we so quick. Isolation centers, President Mahama kan wase. Chama, the woni nyina na kwa kujira nkran. Yare nso ebia ko Burkina, ebia ko Togo, ebia ko Cote d'Ivoire, etwa o man Ghana ho ahia. Nipa ewura Ghana na nya wo nyina na fa nkran terminal 3. Bebre fa elubo border eyusu ye other borders. Enti say isolation centers ni nyina no koye concentrated in the capital city of Accra, Emwa. Ye nsusu ya President Mahama dia ba ne say aban no enyai lalasulala na okwakoye no. IMF ne World Bank amwa mankasa ma criticize say munko ho bio. Omunyai sa de no, omunyai pepesem no. Omu wo sika. Mabobo sia bebrenya oil sika. Omu ko fa bi mra. Na region bi anya at least 1 isolation center. And then health workers say Ghana, I salute them for their courage and the good work they are doing for Ghana. Ye bo mabaso. But atare omo be share no ye friend PPs no bi wo coronavirus bi o metinya hwe ne yare no kra no. Chama akoda ne boachi didi. Saturday Friday Ashanti Regional Health Directorate for Babontin say abaya mo musika kakra ko mo pe PPs ni bi kra tontare ni bi ato. Chama omo so mo nya bi nto. Enti omo sre ya tran wo sa ma nyema we aboboye so e say hand sanitizer so kitesika kra wo nya bi and at the ama problem na ya worse so kra ne say e say ye dum kania sa en chama we dey message for anu tum bi ye dum kania sa ye dum nsuo eno ami wo pictures of nipa abodompem e wo teshi ni nipa tamu a nsuo nwa ye den a omo pensuo na always say na boys ne girls agro mo ho na wo bu fa so pensuo a utimi say nipa ba akokra wo yare e dia nsuo so bo ne beba. Health insurance in service providers, service providers are complaining.
Some just me that say.
So, weigh a life and death. Nobody wants to profit from this thing politically. ye na Ghana ye secure ye cure these 7 people na yare na ntra MPP NDC ye nyina ya so mbedwoye ye nyina ye betimi ago about our businesses in one piece but say ye nyina ye tena se ne ye be ya ban ne diodium enyema nko yie kura ye nka na ban na ye ne yi a say eje ensemu a it will affect any of that into one penny ye serew isolation centers
so we dey film that say control